Your phone is currently a graveyard of forgotten moments. You have blurry sunsets. You have half-eaten lunches. You have thousands of screenshots you will never look at again. Most people see this as a storage problem. Some companies see it as raw material for the future of technology. This is where a new platform called Kled AI enters the conversation. They claim you can turn those random files into actual money. It sounds like a dream for anyone with a crowded gallery. You upload your real-world media to help train artificial intelligence models. These machines need to see what the real world looks like. They need to understand textures. They need to see lighting. They need to witness human movement in natural settings. The process seems straightforward on paper. You send them your content. They run it through a quality check. If it passes, you earn something they call AI credits. Eventually, those credits turn into cash in your bank account. It sounds like the ultimate passive side hustle. You are already taking the pictures. Why not get paid for them? But the reality of these platforms is rarely that simple. Before you start clearing out your camera roll, you need to look at the fine print. New platforms always come with a massive dose of uncertainty. There is a serious lack of long-term evidence for this one. Some people are shouting from the rooftops that they got paid. Others are frustrated. They say they uploaded mountains of content and saw almost nothing in return. The payout rules feel like a moving target for some users. We are looking at a platform that is still in its infancy. That means the rules are changing fast. One day you are earning credits. The next day the requirements might shift. When you look at the trust ratings, things get even more confusing. One major security site says the website looks legitimate. It gives it a decent score. Then you check another major scam detector. It flags it as high risk. This massive gap in trust scores is a huge red flag. It means nobody really knows if this is a sustainable business model or a flash in the pan. You have to be smart about where you put your data. Your face is in those photos. Your location is in the metadata. Your private life is on display. Is a few dollars worth giving that away to a brand new entity? If you decide to jump in, do it with your eyes wide open. Do not treat this like a career. It is not a reliable paycheck. It is a digital experiment. Start small. Upload a few non-sensitive photos. See if the credit system actually works for you. Try to withdraw the smallest amount possible. Do this before committing more time. You should never rely on these apps as a primary income source. They are fickle. They can disappear tomorrow. Be the person who tests the water with a toe before jumping into the deep end. There is a lot of noise in the AI space right now. Everyone wants a piece of the data gold rush. Just make sure you are the one getting the gold. You do not want to be the one just being mined for your information. Keep your expectations low. Keep your privacy settings high. That is the only way to navigate this weird new world of selling your digital footprints. Don't go all in on something that hasn't proven its worth yet. Stick to the basics. Verify the payouts. Watch the reviews like a hawk. If it sounds too good to be true, it usually requires a lot more work than they promise. Your data has value. Treat it like the currency it is. It is easy to get swept up in the hype of new tech, but remember that your time is also a currency. If you spend hours tagging and uploading for pennies, you are losing money. Value your effort. Protect your privacy. Stay skeptical until the checks actually clear. This is the wild west of the digital economy. Don't let yourself get caught in the dust.